good morning. My name is Funn. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है some useful sentences for traveling like at hotel, at railway station, at tourist place. दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों मैं आ गया अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सम यूजफुल इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस फॉर ट्रैवलिंग. These sentences will help you when you are at first at the hotel, second at the railway station, third at the airport, fourth taxi auto driver, fifth at a tourist place. First place is at the hotel. First sentence is I have a reservation. I want to book a room. Do you have a single room? How much is the room? Is breakfast included? Can I see the room? I will stay for 2 nights. What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Is Wi-Fi free? I need an extra towel. The AC is not working. Please clean the room. Can I get the bill? Thank you for your help. At the railway station. First sentence is I want a ticket to Delhi. When does the train arrive? Which platform is the train on? Is the train late? How much is the ticket? I need a return ticket. Is there a seat available? Where is the ticket counter? How long is the journey? Does this train stop here? I missed the train. Can I cancel my ticket? Where is the waiting area? Is this seat number 12? When will the train depart? At the airport. Where is the check-in counter? I have a flight to Mumbai. Here is my passport. How much luggage is allowed? Where is the boarding gate? When does boarding start? Is the flight on time? Where is the security check? I lost my boarding pass. Can I change my seat? Where is the baggage claim? What is the flight number? When will we land? Is this the correct gate? Can I get some water? Taxi auto driver, please take me to the airport. How much is the fare? Please drive slowly. Please drive faster. Stop here, please. Turn left here. Turn right here. Go straight. Is it near? Please wait for 5 minutes. I do not have change. Can you use the meter? Drop me at this address. How long will it take? Keep the change. At a tourist place. What is the place famous for? Can I take photos here? Is there an entry fee? What time does it open? Where can I buy tickets? I need a guide. Where is the washroom? Is food allowed inside? Can you take my photo? How old is this monument? Who built this place? This view is amazing. Where is the exit gate? Can we sit here? I enjoyed this trip. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye, friends.